Good morning, students. I am again here for you for teaching mathematics of class 12th matrices. I think you are safe at your home, so be careful about your health. Now start question number 4 NCERT of exercise miscellaneous. Let A and B are the symmetric matrices. Then prove that AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Solution is there. If A and B are symmetric matrix, then transpose of A will be equals to A and transpose of B will be equals to B. And AB minus BA will be skew symmetric if transpose of AB minus BA is equals to minus AB minus BA. Clear? So on taking LHS, transpose of AB minus BA, we know that if A minus B whole transpose is there, then it can be operated as transpose of A minus transpose of B. So A minus B whole transpose equals to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Now again a formula, AB whole transpose equals to B transpose A transpose. So AB whole transpose equals to B transpose A transpose, and B whole transpose equals to A transpose B transpose. Clear? Now A transpose equals to A and B transpose equal to B. So B transpose equal to B and A transpose equal to A. A transpose equals to A and B transpose equal to B. So BA minus AB is here. Now taking out negative sign as common, AB minus BA is here, which is our RHS. Hence AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Clear? Now come to the question number 5 of NCERT. What is the question? Show that transpose of B into A into B is symmetric or skew symmetric, as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. It means that transpose of B A B will be symmetric if A is symmetric, and transpose of B A B will be skew symmetric if A is skew symmetric. There are two questions. So firstly, when A is symmetric, it means A transpose equals to A. It means transpose of A equals to A. So we have to prove that transpose of B A B is symmetric. So we have to check that transpose of B A B. So let this is A and this is B. AB whole transpose equals to A, B transpose A transpose. Clear? AB whole transpose equals to B transpose A transpose. Clear? Again, this is the same formula. AB whole transpose equals to B transpose A transpose, and transpose of B will be B. Clear? Now B transpose as it is, transpose of A will be equals to A and B as it is. So transpose of this is equals to this. It means transpose of BAB whole transpose equals to transpose of BAB. So transpose of BAB is symmetric. Now again, if A is symmetric, then transpose of A will be minus A. So transpose of BAB, let this is A and this is B, then AB whole transpose equals to transpose of B into transpose of A. Now AB whole transpose is equals to again transpose of B into transpose of A, and transpose of B is equals to B. Now transpose of B as it is, transpose of A is equals to minus A, as A is symmetric, and B as it is, so negative sign is here. So transpose of BAB whole transpose of BAB is equals to minus transpose of BAB. Hence transpose of BAB is skew symmetric. Clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 6. This is a simple and easy question for you. Find the values of x, y and z if matrix A satisfy the equation transpose of A into A equals to I3. I3 means identity matrix of order 3. So matrix A is given, then its transpose will be 0 to Z 0 2yz 0 2yz. First row will be converted into first column, second row into second column, and third row into third column. Now we have given that transpose of A into A equals to I3. So transpose of A this matrix equals to I3, identity matrix of order 3. Now we will multiply these two matrices. 0 plus x square plus x square, 0 plus xy minus xy, 0 minus xz plus xz. Work of first row is completed. Now second row, first, second, third column, 2y into 0 0, y into x xy minus y into x minus xy, 2y into 2y 4y square, y into y square minus y into minus y, minus y into minus y plus y square. Is it clear? 4y square plus y square plus y square. Now 2yz minus yz minus yz. Now third row, first, second, third column, 0 minus zx plus zx, 2yz minus yz minus yz, z square plus z square plus z square. Clear? Now this is 2x square, this is 0, this is also 0, 0, 6y square, this is 6y square, and this is 0, this is also 0, this is also 0, and 3z square. Clear? This is identity matrix. Now on comparing corresponding element or diagonal element, we get 2x square equals to 1, then x square equals to 1 by 2, and x equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. 6y square equals to 1, y square equals to 1 by 6, then y equals to plus minus 1 by root 6. Clear? 2x square equals to 1, then x square equals to 1 by 2, x equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. 6y square equals to 1, then y square equal to 1 by 6, and y equals to plus minus 1 by root 6. And 3z square equals to 1, then z square 1 by 3, and z equals to plus minus 1 by root 3. So solution is x equals to plus minus 1 by root 2, y equals to plus minus 1 by root 6, and z equals to plus minus 1 by root 3. These are required result. Clear? In next video, we will do next question. It means remaining question of this exercise. Thank you.